In this video, I will give you complete information about free IAS coaching scholarships. So if you want to apply for these scholarships, then you have to know important information, application process, instructions, required documents. Registration for Sambhavam, the free coaching program. Sudh Charity Foundation in collaboration with Divine India Youth Association, Delhi chapter presents Sambhavam, a unique program for aspirants of civil services, a one of its kind initiative to provide quality coaching facility to needy aspirants at top civil services institute of India. Major highlights of the program: free coaching classes to deserving students online or offline, mentorship support from UPSC selected candidates, interview appeared candidates and top educators, special group sessions for personality development by leading educators and trainers, instructions for candidates. You can fill the form in Hindi or English language. This form is a key part of admission process. Incomplete of false information will be make your candidature null or avoid. Candidates will be selected based on financial criteria, merit and vulnerability. They will be asked to produce their academic and income credentials documents at later stage. In all matters relative to admission, the decision of the Sambhavam team will be final and binding on the applicants. No correspondence will be entertained from the applicant regarding his or non-selection. Declaration by the applicant: I have carefully read the instructions and agree to abide by Sambhavam team's decision regarding my selection for the program. I certify that the particulars given by me in this form are true to the best of my knowledge and belief. I am aware that in case I have given incorrect or false information, then my admission will be withdrawn at any stage. See the required details: name, gender, email ID, mobile number, WhatsApp number, permanent address, which type of region do you belong to, current address, what is your annual parental income from all sources, do you belong to person with disabilities, what is your current profile, what is your academic qualification, name of the last college that you have attended or currently attending, name of the last course that you have completed or currently pursuing, what is your high school 10th class percentage, name of your high school board, what is your intermediate percentage, name of your intermediate class board, what is your graduation percentage, do you have any other higher qualification or professional degree, give along with the percentage, in which medium have you planned to appear for civil services exam, which optional subject have you chosen for civil services exam, have you qualified any stage of UPSC civil services or stages civil service exam earlier, have you taken or currently taking any coaching for civil services, which mode of coaching are you comfortable with, give details about your achievements, awards received or position of responsibility, school, college level, if any. Also give a brief description of your hobbies, extracurriculum activities, interests. Why do you feel that you are the most deserving candidate for this scholarship? How do you come to know about this initiative? Through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Yuva Abhyudaya 2021, WhatsApp, media reports, website, Diya volunteer, friends and other. Any queries, comments and suggestions? So this is all about free IAS scholarship provided by the Sud Charity Foundation. The official website link is available in video description. Please go there and click that link to apply. The last date is 30 June 2021.